Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to create lead assignment rule in Salesforce. So let's proceed and understanding what is lead assignment rule in Salesforce. In Salesforce, a lead assignment rule is a set of criteria that automatically assigns incoming leads to a specific users or queue based on a certain conditions. These rules help streamline the process of lead management by ensuring that leads are distributed to the appropriate sales representatives or teams and reducing manual efforts and spending up response times. So let's proceed and discuss how we can create lead assignment rule in Salesforce. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce org. So here I open my Salesforce Lightning org. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition, and here we are learned to create the lead assignment rule in Salesforce Lightning. So for this we firstly click on the gear icon and then click on the setup page to move to our home setup page, and it will redirect us to the home setup page, and you can see our home setup page is open. Now enter the lead assignment rule in the quick find box that is present on the left side, and the lead assignment rule is present under the marketing. Click on this lead assignment rules and it will redirect us to the lead assignment rule page, and here you can see the leads assignment rule is already created. Some of the lead assignment rules that is already created, but here we want to create the new one. So I click on the new button, and it will redirect us to the new lead assignment rule page, and here we are entering the rule name, and here I am entering the rule name as a priority, and then click on the active checkbox for activating this rule, and by activating this rule they automatically deactivating the current lead assignment rule, as at one time only one rule is activating. So after activating this rule, other rules are deactivating automatically. So after activating this, click on save button and it will redirect back us to the lead assignment rule page, and here you can see our priority lead assignment rule is created. Now we want to add the criteria, so I again click on this priority lead assignment rule, and here you can see the rule entries are present. So for creating the criteria, click on the new button, and here you can see our rule entry added priority page is open. Now enter the rule entry. Firstly set the order in which this rule entry will be proceed. So here I am entering the maximum sort order, that is 100, and then scroll down. Here select the criteria for this rule entry, and here I am selecting the criteria, clicking on the fields option, and I am selecting lead country, and then selecting the operator that is equals to, and then add the value you want to add which country, and I enter the USA as in the value field, and then scroll down. There is a select the user or queue to assign the lead to, and here the already selected as a user you can also select queue partner user, but here this time I am selecting the user and then select the user by clicking on this lookup icon. There are lots of users are present. Click any of the user, and here I am selecting this John David, and you can also check this checkbox do not reassign the owner if you want, and you can also enter the email template if you want, otherwise leave it as it is. These are optional fields, and then click on the save button, and here we go, our one entry is created. One rule entry is created which order number is 1, criteria is lead country equal to USA and assigned to John David user. You can also create another rule entry by simply clicking on the new button, and here you can enter the same fields that we enter previously. So enter the sort order and then select the criteria, and first here I am selecting the field, and this time I am selecting the field as a lead source, and then which is equals to, and then I am going to select the value. Here is the lookup icon. This time I am selecting the value as a phone inquiry or web. Only one checkbox I want to select, that's why I uncheck the phone inquiry and only select the web, and then insert selected option web is field in the value, and then select the user, and here I want to select the user as a John David again, and then if you want to reassign the owner, then you can check the checkbox, otherwise leave it as it is. And you can also enter the email template and click on the save button after filling all the information, and here we go. You can see the second rule entry is also created. Order number is 2, lead source equal to web and assigned to John tab. And now we want to check this. So here I click on the app launcher, enter the leads, click on the leads, and here we go. The lead record page is open. Now we want to create the new lead, so click on the new, and the new lead dialog box is open. Here firstly enter the salutation, enter the first name, and then enter the last name, and then enter the company. These are the mandatory fields, so enter the company, and then if you want to enter the title you can enter it, and here we want to enter the lead source, and this time I entering the lead source as web, and then enter the country. There is the country field. Here is the country field. I want to enter the country field as a New York, and then click on the checkbox assign using active assignment rule, and then click on the save button. And here we go, our Mr. John William was created, and click on the details section, and here you can see our lead owner is John David, because I set the rule criteria. If lead source is web, then it is assigned to the John David, and here the lead owner show as a John David. If I want our first rule criteria is applied to this, so again click on the new button for creating. So go back to the leads and then click on the new, and here again select the options and then select the company. This time I select the company as this, and then lead source as a phone inquiry, and then enter the country as a USA. Suppose I enter the criteria as a country equal to USA, and then hit the save button. Here we go, our new lead is created, and you can also see this time. Oh, wait a second. I did not assign this to the owner. So there is a Louis John. Click on this and click on the edit for editing this. And here is the assign using assignment rule. Click on this checkbox and click on the save button. And here we go. You can see our lead owner is a John David. It is work successfully. So with this, we have learned how to create lead assignment rule in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.